All right?
I ain't touching you. I'm touching the whole fucking outfit.
Okay. It's not going to happen. Get your dog and get out. Is this your dog here?
No, it ain't my fucking dog.
Okay, then get your dog and get out.
I'm trying to find my...
You're sitting here arguing with me, not getting your dog.
Move. I gotta get his leash.
Get your dog.
I gotta get the goddamn leash.
Get your dog.
I
Get
didn't
out.
know.
What's that?
An elderly man, a court-ordered eviction, officers with a legal mandate to remove him. What happens next raises questions every citizen should understand. Officers are executing a writ of possession, a court order transferring property control to a new owner. Notice was issued January 12th, 2 months prior, legally sufficient. Once that notice period expires, any remaining occupant is trespassing. Officers hold full legal authority to remove and to arrest anyone who refuses.
All right.
I'm trying.
It's over. Everybody's out. So, all right. Gave you a little bit of extra time because we had stuff going on, but.
How would you like it to come to your house?
Well, I'm not. I'm not in your position. I don't know what led up to this, but. Yep. So, have everybody come out. We're getting ready to go in after that and make sure everybody's out, and anybody that's not out be arrested.
And dogs.
What's that?
I don't just dogs.
I don't either. I put them in a vehicle and take them with you. So go ahead and do that. Everybody's coming out. You don't need to go back in. So just wait here. What's that?
I just bought that car and the tools are in there. Can I have?
You can
my truck?
You can get with Charlie and he can get you the new property owner, and see if he can make arrangements to get it. I can't tell you that he will or won't, but you can work with him. But here in a minute, everybody's off the property and can't come back until I have permission. What's your name? What's your name?
Oh, Robert Stevens. I don't live
Okay.
here. I was just helping
Okay.
people, but
Yep.
moving everything for helping. He's gonna know the name of the.
He's got the paperwork.
They're all a little bit. They're not. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't know what the fuck's going on.
Okay. Yep. They've got the paperwork on it.
Okay,
So.
so I'll be able to help with that.
Nobody came out with you. Need everybody out. Okay.
I'm trying.
No, you're not trying. Tell them to come out.
He said come out right now.
Yep. Come on out.
All right, they're coming up front here.
Everybody else that's inside needs to come out. No, you're getting ready to be on my time, okay? So, you guys have had since January 12th to get out. It ain't happening like that. So, get out or you're going to be arrested for trespassing because the eviction's up.
I was at work. I didn't know nothing. My mom's stuff's still in here. Can I have just a few?
No, we've had 2 months.
I didn't know that.
All right, well, it's not my issue.
What's that? I'm not kissing anybody's ass. I'm telling you how it's going to be. You're going to get arrested if you remain in the house. What's that?
Gene, shut the fuck up.
I could have said
Not
that,
one more
but have him
word.
come out.
She's my wife.
Okay. It's the man that's, whoever the guy is the
Oh, the
one.
guy? Oh, that's me. Yeah, oh, that wasn't my wife. He's a little cantankerous, right? He don't really know. Careful with him.
Anybody else in here? You the last two.
I'm like, can I have just a few more things? I'm sorry, I was at work.
You can get the dogs and that's it. Dogs and
What about my
cats. Cat, whatever. Yeah.
Not coming back in this way.
I gotta get my cat.
Huh?
My cat.
Yeah.
Is there stuff on the porch I can get it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she was at work when y'all showed up the first time. Yeah, but they've known for 2 months. So.
They're all they all get checks and all. They don't know what's going on. And then 2 of them have payee. They can't, you know what I'm saying? They can't.
Is that the only cat you have?
No, I've got 2 more.
Two? Okay. There was.
No, nothing about it.
Is that one of the cats there?
Is it white?
White with yellow and black?
Yeah, and I got a yellow one somewhere.
Okay.
White and yellow.
And elderly, that's just crazy how they can do that.
I'm not going back in.
Gotta go get my fucking dog,
You're not going back
dumbass.
in.
The subject directs profane language at officers throughout. Under City of Houston versus Hill, decided by the Supreme Court in 1987, verbal insults directed at police are First Amendment protected speech. Profanity alone cannot justify an arrest.
Hey, you dumbass mother. Fucking stupid ass county cops.
Come on. No, come on. Come on, Nora.
10 minutes, County 10.
I gotta get my dog.
There was a dog that came out already.
Shit, county. I'll say on the fire.
Listen, sir.
Huh?
Damn dog. You're not going to sit here and cuss me, all
I
right?
ain't touching you, I'm touching the whole fucking outfit.
Okay. It's not going to happen. Get your dog and get out. Is this your dog here?
No, it ain't my fucking dog.
Okay, then get your dog and get out.
I'm trying to find mother.
You're sitting here arguing with me, not getting your dog.
Move, I gotta get his leash.
Get your dog.
I gotta get his goddamn leash.
Get your dog. and
I
get
am,
out. What's that?
I am getting her.
No, you're not.
I gotta
You're
get
sitting
the
here arguing
leash.
with me. Get your dog and get out.
If you shut the f- up and get the hell out of here.
You're the one still running your mouth.
Stop it.
Here's the leash.
That ain't my leash.
It's going to work. There you go.
Stay out.
So you ain't got a f***ing collar. Put that up and put it on there.
There's a cat named Mo. She's in here and she's kind of got an attitude. I don't know where she's at. Oh shit, sorry.
There's one up here in the window.
Yes. Come here, baby.
What's this guy's name? What's his name?
Who?
The one that's still in here.
I don't know who's in here. There's Lee.
Lee. Okay.
No, baby. I do gotta come back in and get the litter boxes and litter. Please.
Hope I f***ing have a goddamn heart attack and die. I'd say all you motherfuckers. Come on.
So it's one dog left. Do you still have a dog of your own?
Yeah, but
Okay. Back there in the back room.
I want you to fight these dumb son of a bitch before you go by them.
He took the leash. I don't know what he did.
There's another leash over here.
Oh, this dumb son of a bitch took it. I don't know. I hope you all die.
Right there on top of that.
They can die.
can't see me coming from outside.
Hope you all have fun. I might just step with your car. Hit my head on. So I gotta get my medicine too. But if you ain't gonna cut me back in, I'll sue you.
You can sue me. I get sued all the time. I'm not worried about it. So.
Well, this time, please. My family will
Lee, you're not helping anything.
Come on. This dumb son behind me. Thinks he got bad, he can fucking boss people around.
It's called a judge's
Well,
order.
that's their job, is to boss people around.
Yeah, it's called the judge order. Get the out of the way. Find the lead.
No, you're just gonna
You're gonna
go.
walk out.
Get your dog and go. Get your
I'm
dog.
getting my shit.
You're sitting here arguing. Go. You're gonna get arrested. Is what's gonna
You know
happen.
what?
Go.
I've been arrested before. I don't
Are
bother
you gonna
me.
leave?
After I get my shit.
Go.
Quit pushing.
Push me.
At the 6-minute mark, the subject states he hopes to have a heart attack and die. Crisis intervention team protocol requires officers to pause enforcement and assess mental state when a subject makes statements of this nature. That does not happen here. The arrest is preceded by one phrase, quote, "Push me, I got it," end quote. Under Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court's 1989 controlling standard, force must be reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. That phrase puts the initiation of force in legal question. Graham's three-factor test weighs the severity of the crime, the immediacy of the threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Trespass is nonviolent. The subject is elderly and unarmed. Verbal argument is not physical resistance. Force used here sits at the outer edge of what courts would find defensible. During restraint, the subject says, quote, "I can't breathe," end quote. Following the Garner litigation, officers are trained to treat that statement as a medical indicator. No response occurs on camera. Handcuffs are reported too tight. No fit check is performed. Both are protocol failures.
Your other arm. Give me your other arm.
I can't breathe. Got it.
Stop.
You.
Alright. Stand up. Stop.
John, son of a... Look at these big heavy sons of a... 2 on 1. That's the way they always do. Fuck your ass.
Have anything on you? Stop.
You.
Do you have anything on you?
I got shit on me. Don't throw my shit down there. But still my ass. It. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm good.
Quit telling me you dumb mother. Sight something.
Have a seat. Have a seat. You gonna kick me again? Don't kick me. You understand?
Goddamn mother. Oh, goddamn mother, goddamn cuff. My goddamn arm. Could you loosen the cuffs and stuff?
They're properly fit.
They are not properly fit. They're just cutting into my goddamn wrist.
Put foot in there.
They're cut. I ain't going to put my foot in there.
Stop. Stop.
Loosen the fucking cuffs up, mother. Y'all did good though. Hey, that was way to de-escalate. That was good.
You guys
You guys did good. Really
you want to take
yeah.
his stuff, you said, or is he just fine with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Does he have some medication in there somewhere?
Yeah, I think he does an extra person touch.
Where's your medicine at that you want?
Yeah. Take me county.
We will here in a minute.
Now.
What medicine do you want?
Yeah. I ain't going to tell you.
It's fine by me. You're the one that needs it, not me.
I'll die and then my family will sue you, county.
Because you
And your
refuse to
ass.
take your medicine? Good luck with that.
Clear boy. Clear boy.
He said, F you.
Did I say to us if that was accurate?
You called that one. Cigarettes. I thought they was test strips, so okay. Appreciate it. Like I said, we said, just get with the property owner, see if you can get up, make arrangements, get the rest of it.
Can I get it?
That's fine. Just don't go back in, okay?
Okay.
Clear boys. Yeah, he's a clear boy. Yeah, when we get there, tell the sheriff I want to talk to him. Because you're a sucker. That's why you back. Like I said, I hope both your houses can blow up with yins in it.
Step up.
No.
Never step up.
Nope.
The subject faces 2 charges: trespassing and resisting arrest. The trespass charge holds. The writ was valid and notice was served. The resisting arrest charge is more vulnerable. Verbal noncompliance alone does not satisfy the force element that most jurisdictions require to sustain that charge. Lead officer receives a grade of C. The authority to arrest was lawful. The execution was not. Escalatory communication, a contested force initiation, and a missed crisis intervention are not offset by a valid court order. The subject receives a grade of B. First Amendment rights were exercised, no weapons were introduced, and core compliance was eventually achieved. But verbal escalation built the conditions for his own arrest. The right to speak does not always protect the person speaking. The department receives a grade of C+, procedurally sound, tactically undertrained. Civil enforcement involving elderly or emotionally vulnerable subjects demands crisis competency. That preparation was absent here. 3 takeaways. A court order authorizes entry. It does not authorize any level of force. How a lawful arrest begins determines whether the force used is constitutional. And statements of distress are legal triggers, not background noise. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.
You, but, mother